Hey guys, how's it going? So I apologize for this clickbait video. It is a little bit of a clickbait, but not really. Let's just talk about it. So NIO acquiring Blink Charge. Why I think it's actually a very good acquisition target for NIO. And I'll explain why in this video. So NIO has aspirations. At least they should have aspirations to be a worldwide company and not be just in China. They'll probably have aspirations to be in America, in Europe, in all of the entire world. They should have aspirations to be in the entire world and not just in China. And their cars do look really nice, and I think their cars would do very well in America. And I think that, they should acquire Blink, in my opinion, because Blink is building the infrastructure for electric vehicles, and the combined company would be kind of like a Tesla, because Tesla they manufacture their cars and they have their own recharging stations. So if NIO acquire Blink, then NIO would have their own charging station, and they could label all of the Blink charging station to Blink NIO, or just replace Blink completely with NIO. So that's where I think they should set up a partnership right now with the ability to acquire, because then Blink could act as a beachhead for NIO, and Blink could be building all the infrastructure for when NIO does move to the United States, because at least I hope NIO has the aspirations to move to the United States in the future, and start a manufacturing facility in the United States, and having Blink as a beachhead, because Blink, they speak English, right? Like America is their home turf. So they can easily set up the infrastructure for NIO to manufacture in America. That way they can avoid the tariff, and NIO can be considered more of a global player, because like right now I'm not that bullish on NIO, simply because they're only in China. But I know for a fact that NIO has super rich investors back in the company, or else they wouldn't have a $17 billion market cap. $17 billion market cap. That's kind of insane. So they wouldn't have a $17 billion market cap if they only has aspirations in China. If NIO wants to be a true competitor to Tesla, I think they need to acquire Blink, because it wouldn't make any sense for them to run around, take years and years and years to set up an infrastructure for a charging station, when they can just acquire a company that's already doing it. It just makes so much logic. That's why I think Blink deserves a little bit higher of a market cap, in my opinion. So Tesla just keeps going up and up and up, and I think that will affect NIO positively, and NIO should use that advantage to maybe possibly raise more money and build their own production facility in the United States and in Europe, just like Tesla, and be a player like Tesla. If NIO really wants to be, I think they should, but that's just my opinion. Netflix up today 8%. Amazon is just kind of like flat. I really want to see Tesla match Amazon stock price for stock price. I think that would be so cool to see. But everyone would call Tesla a big, giant, fat, ugly bubble, but I don't really care. I just want to see that. The market today was green. It started the day red, and boom! I told you guys, any red opportunities is a buying opportunity. And what happened? The stock market went up. And I also call Electricma an opportunity. Could it keep going down? Yeah. Could it keep going up? Yeah. I don't know what. I'm not buying any stock. I'm sure the most retail investors are not buying stocks around these prices. At least I hope not. The only people that really are buying are like big money, in my opinion. So 14 million shares traded today, kind of a weak day. We'll see. Solo needs news in order for it to move now. But again, if Tesla just keeps moving up, that will affect Solo positively, and all the other EV players like Automotive and Workhorse. Well, Workhorse is still kind of overvalued a little bit right now. Arrow, yeah, Nikola, definitely. So yeah, so no, not Nikola. Nikola will do what Nikola will do. I don't know. It already has a $19 billion market cap, so if investors want to pump it, they'll pump it. Nikola is worth more than NIO, and I don't think that's right. I think NIO should be a higher market cap than Nikola, because NIO has actual products, they have actual customers, they have an actual loyalty base, and they're in China, and the government backs them, and same with their banks. So, I think NIO should be a higher market cap than Nikola, but NIO is getting up there, 17 billion versus 19 billion. So, yeah. Canopy growth today, nice day today, up $1.03. Oh no, $1.40. So I guess I was 100% wrong, and that was actually a buying opportunity. Who knowed? Who knew? I thought a Canopy was downtrending. I thought the entire MJ industry is downtrending, but big money decided to flip the switch and pump the stock. So that's the reality of it. It was a pretty decent volume day today, 5.26 million. Let's see if this can continue. Let's see if rich people will keep pumping this to the moon. Let's see. I mean, it could be possible. The trend is starting to change. The trend is changing right now. It's starting to uptrend. So we'll see if that happens. If that's true, then HMMJ could be a buying opportunity. On same with Aurora. Aurora could keep going up. So good luck to all you guys. I hope big money pumps your stock. Very, very good food company is up 19 cents. Modern Meat, I haven't covered this yet, but I will cover this over the weekend. I'll talk a little bit more about it. I'm still doing my research on it. Hopefully I can come up with a video more on it over the weekend. I just haven't had too much time researching it. So, yeah, I will definitely attempt to make a video on Modern Meat over the weekend, so look forward to that. Sorry, why do I have Modern Meat again here? Beyond Meat, down today, 38 cents. The more it goes down, the more attractive it looks to me. So, it's starting to downtrend, so we'll see where that goes. But like I said, the lower it goes, the more I'm bullish. And it looks like it's starting to establish a downtrend right now. So we'll see where this goes. This could be a buying opportunity, or this could continue to go down. We'll see. AMD. I have a video coming out tomorrow for AMD. I'm very bullish on AMD, but it doesn't matter if I'm bullish. If banks don't want to push up the stock price, it won't move up. Sony is up today, $2.42. Sony is valued at $93 billion. I think that's why I think AMD deserves a little bit more. Kira is up 11.4%. True Eve is up today. Wow, $2.67, $19.91. Aurora might be a buying opportunity right now if True Eve and Kira are just skyrocketing. Why is True Eve skyrocketing today? Release date and conference call for the second quarter report. That's why, because they're going to announce earnings very soon here. Man today was just trading sideways. Ford, I don't know why I have Ford up there. Green Thumb Industries is up 10% today. Wow. That is crazy. Nordic American Tankers was up to the tanker stocks were up today too. So maybe I should have made a video on the tankers. Kind of too late now. DHT up today massively too. Yeah, not too much to say. Lithium American Corp. I'm probably going to be making a video on this over the weekend about lithium stocks and possible investment ideas. American Airlines down 5 cents. Not too much to say about that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.